What is a one-point perspective? This represents a drawing method where things get smaller as you go further away towards a single point of reference, which can be considered the vanishing point or horizon line. What is a two-point perspective? This describes a drawing or piece that shows an object from the side with two vanishing points, as shown in this example of a corner building. What is a three-point perspective? This is a drawing or piece that shows an object from the ground up or from the top down with three vanishing points. So, what does that even mean? Let's take a quick time out. Can you spot the three vanishing points? Let me know in the comments if you were able to spot these three vanishing points. Here is another example of a three-point perspective. In the next video, we will go over examples of one-point perspective. But I have a question. Did you find this to be helpful? Tap that subscribe button for more.